Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. Find all points on the curve y equals to sin x from 0 to 2b, where the tangent line is parallel to the line y equals to 1 over 2x. So now I will show you how to answer. Because the tangent line is parallel, that means the slope about this one, that's about 1 over 2. So the value of the tangent should be equals to 1 over 2. So first derivative of y, that's it from here. You got about cosine x. Now we have the formula of this one. So we have cosine A equals to B. You will have about 8 equals to arc cosine of B plus k to B, and k should belong to integers. And we have 8 equal to negative arc cosine of B. And we have k to B. So we have 8, that's about x, b, that's about 1 over 2. We know that arc cosine of 1 over 2, we will have about b over 3 plus k to b. And the second one, that's about x equals to negative b over 3 plus k to b. Because we know that x belongs from 0 to 2b. So in this, the first one, k equals to number 0. And the second one, that's about k equals to number 1. So we will have about x equals to b over 3. And the second one, negative b over 3 plus 2b when k equals to number 1. So we have 5b over 3. And now we can find the value of y. We put b over 3 and 5b over 3 go in here. And we got about y, the square root of number 3 over 2. And the second one, that is about negative of the square root of number 3 over 2. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.